What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I was not going to record anything because I just wanted to knock this car out, get it out of here, and just clean this car and get it ready for what we're going to be doing with it. If you guys haven't seen the video where we acquired these two cars, be sure to check it out. It is also in part of a junkyard video, so enjoy that one. It's been raining nonstop here, and Today it didn't rain, so I'm trying to take advantage of it, be out here, strip this car down, and the goal is to get this car straight to the scrapyard. I didn't really mention too much about why I parted this car out, but I do have the pink slip to the car, so I can't just scrap it without an issue. But again, I'm parting this car out to save another car. The front end is already on the other car. I didn't bring my camera with me yesterday to show you guys the installation of the front end on the other car, but hopefully when we see the car soon, I'll show you guys a little walk around on it. I don't know if I mentioned about doing a build series on this car, but I'm not 100% sure what's going to be happening with it just yet, but there will be a game plan for it. So the goal again today is to get this car fully stripped out. What I am going to do is I'm going to salvage everything I can off of this car. I'm going to take the whole interior out of it, everything that I can, maybe the carpet, but it looks pretty dirty. This car has a carpet as well. I'm taking everything from the back of the car, all the dividers, cargo cover, all that, the whole nine, the seats and everything is going to be transferred over here, and the goal is to remove all the glass and cut the quarter panels out. I know a lot of people have been looking for quarter panels, or at least rust-free ones. These look really nice and straight, original paint, so there's no bond or anything hidden underneath. And I'm gonna need the glass for the other car as well too. So the goal again is to strip this car down to the bare, take out the disc brakes, the wheels, the whole nine, the exhaust as well too, even though it's straight pipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down to work, guys, before the rain comes. Let's get it. Guys, I've been at this all day now. Day 2 on tearing down the CRX. Got my propane heater out here. Got my buddy Paco. And it started pouring again when I was taking off the door handle because I wanted the key lock. So I'm still gonna work on the car. It ain't gonna stop me. I just wanted to record and give you guys a little updates. I'm pretty sure there was enough time lapse for you guys to enjoy it a little bit. Probably gonna carry this car, tear it down until tomorrow because I still haven't cut the quarter panels out yet because I wanted to strip everything else out of the car first before I do. So that way, once I'm done, you know, tow truck can just come and take it. So tomorrow, probably gonna cut that. I might even, I ain't trying to get electrocuted. So right now I'm gonna take off that door handle, and then the last thing would be cut the quarters, pull the trunk, sunroof, motor, and plug. Then the car can go. Hopefully tomorrow. So I've been neglecting buying a new phone case for my phone. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty messed up. Neglected. And I've dropped it so many times now since, you know, losing the edge of my case. And I literally just dropped it. And now there's a giant crack across my my screen. Can't see it, but dang, right there, you can see that right there. Should have just bought a new phone case when I had the chance to. And I just replaced the screen like earlier this year. So it's been pouring for the last like hour, 2 hours now, and yeah, well, I kind of sort of wrapped up a little bit, and right now I just got to find a place for the dashboard, and then probably gonna close up. But before I do, at least close up for today, I went to the P.O. box yesterday, right? And I got 3 packages. So before I wrap it up tonight, let's open them up. So the first package right here came from Charles, also known as Cool Kids Pics on Instagram. And he messaged me the other day and told me that he had a package that was sent to the P.O. box, which then, you know, made me go over there to check it out because I haven't been there in a while, and there was more than one there. Sick. A note right here says, "Hey Static, hope all is well. I really enjoy the videos, keep them coming. Also like all the tips and DIYs you put out there for us car folks. I was scrolling through Amazon and thought maybe you can use this on one of your garage lights. I hope I can get some work done on my hatch in the near future. Charles at Cool Kids Pics." I appreciate this, bro. This is what is this? It is light, fan pulls, ornament, pendant, keychain, and more. Converted from ceiling fan pull to an ornament. Oh, yo, check this out. Legit. It's a red CRX. It's a red CRX. Look at this. Oh, red CRX right there. It's too cool. Check this out. Very fitting. You know what? I'll just cut this one out. Yo, legit. I appreciate that one, bro. Thank you. Thank you very much. Next package, we have Visna with no address. Tacoma, Washington, man. Shout out. Most def. Oh, word. Visna, thank you very much. We got some cam caps, end caps. We got a Golden Eagle. Check that out. And we also have a BWR. I like purple. If you guys haven't noticed, my wastegate is purple, my blower valve is purple, my EF sedan engine bay was purple at one point in time, and part of my turbo was also purple. I appreciate this one. Definitely gonna give one of these to the squad so they can rock these in their car. Triple O-ring helps with leakage on the ends with the stock one, which is only 1 O-ring. I appreciate these, man. Thank you very much. And then we got this big guy right here, which came from James D. Thornsberry. Let's see what's inside here. First things first, the note. It says, "Dana, you are inspirational as fuck. Because of you, I picked up a welder. I haven't welded in 20 years. This was part of the deal. My coworker picked it up for a vacation auction. Sorry, I can't read that. But didn't use it. Hope it's something you can use. James D. Thornsberry. Keep it up. You and your crew should come out to Cars and Coffee at Laguna Sea one of these days." Let's see what's inside. This is like a handheld stick for a GoPro of some sort. See that? We got some either head straps or wrist straps. And then we have, oh, this is a chest rig. For your chest or your back. One of those. This has some kind of alligator clip on it, also for like a GoPro. That's awesome. Head strap, wrist strap. This is a wrist strap. This one right here is a suction cup. It's freaking sick. And then we got, this is like a handlebar or bar style mount. I've always wanted to get one of these. Now I have one. Thank you. Wasabi Power. Dual charger battery for GoPro Hero 4. Well, you look at that. 2 brand new batteries and a charger. What? POV case. Awesome. 32 gigs memory card. Monopod selfie stick. We got some bags in here. And then, wow. You really sent me a brand new GoPro. a brand new GoPro. Truly appreciate this. This is definitely going to come in handy for all the track days. If you guys have seen the track video, the latest one, we were only able to get in-car videos of mine because I only had one GoPro, and I did, you know, try to get more GoPros for everybody else's car so we can get some in-cars, but we didn't get any GoPros for everybody else. So this right here, man, I truly appreciate it. So thank you, James, for this huge care package, because there was a lot in here and a lot of it is going to come in super clutch. So again, appreciate Charles, man. I appreciate James right here, and I appreciate you, Visna, for all of the stuff that you guys sent to me here today. Man, this coronavirus quarantine lockdown bullshit is for real. They've been hovering for hours. Yesterday, they were hovering over there for a couple of hours. It's crazy. All right, guys, so I'm not going to show you guys much more on this car today. I'm really just waiting for the tow truck guy to come get it. He said it was going to be here. It's been about 2 hours now, but still hopeful. I'm still hopeful that the guy can come get the car today. So all of the stuff that I had lying around the house inside my 55-gallon drums, we have everything compiled inside here. The old hood, old exhaust, I'm not going to need anymore. Got the quarter panel cut out. Now this is sought out for. So this quarter panel right here, my buddy Tony hit me up. He said he wanted it. His CRX is kind of smushed in, so I cut that one out for him right there. I didn't cut the other one out because it is such a pain in the ass, and because I need this car gone, I'm not gonna pull it, unfortunately. And trust me, guys, it's eating me inside. I'm still debating on taking it. I wanted to take the trunk too, but I don't have space for it. And the reason why I want the trunk is because this whole top section is super smooth, and if you look at mine, ginormous dent right in the middle. So this car is actually going to be going to paint soon. I haven't really spoke much about it, but kind of wanted the trunk for this car. Whew, man, that was the fastest I've ever ran in my entire life, and it wasn't even for food. Whew. Everything completely stripped off of this car. Everything I think I couldn't use, I took off. Kind of wanted the windshield, kind of wanted the door glass too, but I'm not willing to put any more work into it. I just need the car gone. Hey Bane, is that you, Bane? Boy's ready. Goddamn. So anyways, I'm not gonna give you guys any more updates until the tow truck gets here. And when the tow truck gets here, when they take the car, we'll close out this video. I can drop it right now, Jack, in the front. Yeah, that's like that. And just like that, guys, the 91 CRX SI is gone. Now, it is sad that I parted out a clean shell, but know that that car got parted out, and there are 3 or 4 other CRXs that are using parts from it. And obviously, I said in the last video, there was a reason why I parted this car out, and you know, what I found out about the car made my decision, you know, 100% that I was gonna you know, part ways with it. But like I said, parts from that car is saving a couple other CRXs, and that's awesome. At least parts of the car lives on. But I think that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video, guys. It's been 3 days in the making of, you know, fighting the rain and trying to part out the car. Everything else that's compiled right here, I gotta find a home for them. Probably gonna go to Home Depot when I can to get a big tote, so I can just kind of put everything in it and put it away until we establish a game plan with that CRX. But we have plans for it, most definitely, and it will come soon. Got a couple squad cars I got to take care of first before we get into it. Right now, Joe is chilling here. He came here after work, and we were kind of overlooking Kat's new engine and wrote down everything she has, what we got to sell, what we need to buy to plant it in the car, and miscellaneous stuff if she wants to change them out. So this is going to go home with Joe so Kat can overlook that and start looking for some parts. And once she get that engine more and more completed, her car is probably going to be the first one here soon. And then I got to work on his car, and then his car, and then my car, and my cousin's car, Paco's car. The whole squad is getting the treatment. We're getting ready for April's track. Our track events for this month has been canceled all month, so we got about maybe in a month and a half to get everybody's car ready. So, you know, now that I have the time to do so, I'm gonna knock them out. Hopefully you guys stick around for it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed this video or saddened by this video because you parted out a clean CRX, hit the like button anyways. I truly appreciate it. But with that being said, it is cold and I'm about to wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.